I recently talked about a couple of claims in North Carolina that are used to address some of the financial changes that occur during a period of separation and divorce: equitable distribution and alimony. We've already talked a little bit more about equitable distribution, so today we're going to dive a little further into an alimony claim. Alimony is the claim used when there is a supporting spouse and a dependent spouse in a marriage, and the dependent spouse is actually and substantially dependent upon the supporting spouse in order to meet their reasonable monthly needs. So how is alimony determined? Well, unlike with child support, we don't have an alimony calculator in North Carolina. Instead, a court will take both parties' net incomes and consider all of their reasonable monthly expenses, which not only include your mortgage or rent, utilities, insurance payments, car payments, but they also include things like eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, vacations, as long as the court finds the expenses to be reasonable. Once the court has determined each party's net income and their reasonable monthly expenses, the court will determine whether each party has an overage each month or a deficit. If the court finds that the supporting spouse has an overage and the dependent spouse has a deficit, and the supporting spouse has the ability to pay an amount to the dependent spouse to help them meet their reasonable monthly needs, this is the amount that will typically be ordered as an alimony award.